take my eyes off of you. Caught in the way that I stay, there's nothing else to compare. The thought of you leaves me weak. There are no words left to speak. But if you feel like I feel, well then let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. Take my eyes off of you.
This dance is called Can't Take My Eyes Off You. It's a 32 counts, 4-wall beginner level line dance, starting with the right foot. Section 1, weight is on the left. Walk forward, right, left. Shuffle forward on right, left, right. Left foot, forward rock, recover onto right. Shuffle back on left, right, left. Section 2, touch right toe behind, quarter right turn, way onto right foot, facing 3. Monterey quarter right turn. Pawn left to left side, step together on left. Pawn right to right side, make a quarter right turn, stepping right next to left, facing 6. Pawn left to left side, step together on left. Section 3, right foot, 4 rock, recover. Coaster step, back together forward. Left, 4 rock, recover. Coaster step, back together forward. Section 4, jazz pop quarter right turn. Cross step right, make a quarter right turn, stepping back on left, facing 9. Step right to right side, step forward left. Hip rolls, right, left, Way ends on the left foot and begin to dance again. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this dance, there's a 4 count tag at the end of wall 5 and at the end of wall 10. Wall 5 starts facing the 12 o'clock wall. I'm facing 12 now. End of wall 5, to do this 4 count tag. Just wave your hands up in the air. 1, 2, 3, 4. And begin to dance again. Wall 10 starts facing the 9 o'clock wall. End of wall 10, you'll be facing the 6 o'clock wall to do that 4 count tag. Waving hands up in the air. 1, 2, 3, 4.